Well, hello there, future drivers. Welcome back to our channel where we're dedicated to helping you conquer your driving test with confidence and ease. In this video, we've got a 10-question mock exam focused on the crucial topic of alertness. As you know, being alert on the road is absolutely essential for your safety and the safety of others. So get ready to test your knowledge and sharpen your understanding of the rules and situations that require your full attention whilst driving. Remember, you can complete hundreds of driving test questions on the Get Driving app to give you the best chance of passing first time. But for this, I'm going to read the question out, give you 10 seconds, feel free to pause if you need longer, and then give you the answer. Good luck. What should you do before making a U-turn? Give an arm signal as well as using your indicators. Get out the car to make sure the coast is clear. Look over your shoulder for a final check, or select the highest gear. The correct answer is look over your shoulder for a final check. Where should you avoid overtaking? Just after a bend, on a dual carriageway, in a one-way street, or approaching a dip in the road? The correct answer is approaching a dip in the road. What should you do if your mobile phone rings while you're driving or riding? Pull up at the nearest curb, answer it immediately, leave it until you have stopped in a safe place, stop immediately. The correct answer is leave it until you have stopped in a safe place. What should you do when you're approaching traffic lights that have been green for some time? Brake hard, maintain your speed, be ready to stop, accelerate hard. The correct answer is be ready to stop. What should you do before slowing down or stopping your vehicle? Use a higher gear, use the mirrors, sound the horn, or flash the headlights repeatedly. The correct answer is use the mirrors. You're following a large vehicle. Why should you stay at a safe distance behind it? You'll be able to corner more quickly. You'll keep out of the wind better. You'll give the driver a chance to see you in their mirrors. Or you'll help the large vehicle to stop more easily. The correct answer is you'll give the driver a chance to see you in their mirrors. Why should you use your mirrors when you see a hazard ahead? Because you'll need to accelerate out of danger, to assess how your actions will affect the traffic behind, because you'll need to brake sharply and stop, to check what's happening on the road ahead. The correct answer is to assess how your actions will affect the traffic behind. You're waiting to turn right at the end of a road. What should you do if your view is obstructed by parked vehicles? Stop and then move forward slowly and carefully for a clear view. Move quickly to where you can see so you can only block traffic from one direction. Wait for a pedestrian to let you know when it's safe for you to emerge. Turn your vehicle around immediately and find another junction to use. The correct answer is stop and then move forward slowly and carefully for a clear view. There are objects hanging from your interior mirror. Why could this be a hazard? Your view could be obstructed. Your sun visor might get tangled. Your radio reception might be affected. Your windscreen could mist up more easily. Correct answer is your view could be obstructed. You're on a long motorway journey. What should you do if you start to feel sleepy? Play some loud music. Stop on the hard shoulder for a rest. Drive faster to complete your journey sooner. Leave the motorway and stop in a safe place. The answer is leave the motorway and stop in a safe place. So for this mock, you need 8 out of 10 to pass. If you got that, well done, you've smashed it. If you didn't quite get 8, then make sure you do download the Get Driving app, where we have hundreds of mock exam questions, revision cards, and you can also find a driving instructor near you and start practicing for your practical driving test. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our expert tips and more mock tests designed to get you ready for that big day.